Chevy boys is in the building.
What it do, yo?
Chevy boys is in the building.
What it do, y'all?
You know, we back part 2 of the sanding process. We about to just smoke, chill, vibe today, get some content in, chop it up with your boy, you know what I'm saying?
Once again, I'm back. I got a surprise coming to the channel for you boys, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got a motherfucking 1985 motherfucking big body Cutlass Supreme, you know what I'm saying? All black, you know what I'm saying? With the in the back, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But man, drop in the comments and let my brother know if y'all wanna, you know what I'm saying, wanna see me some more. You know what I'm saying? I'll make time for you niggas, you know what I'm saying? Chevy boys, what y'all niggas been on, man? If y'all fuck with us, drop ooh-wee in the comments.
Ooh-wee!
Hey, bro, and another thing, bro, rest in peace to my nigga Rich Homie, bro. Lifestyle.
Not a lot of beginning, but Jenny Bop, beep. Y'all see that Caddy DeVille in front of us? Hey, OG. That mug hard. Nothing, OG. We just looking at your beauty right quick.
Come on now, brother.
Yep. 78. That thing was a 78. That's gonna look good when we edit. All that shit. Man, you can't be scared to pull out the camera, bro. People gonna look at you crazy. People gonna look at you goofy. But like, shit like this. Cause I got the setup to do so. Bow, 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 bow.
Teddy girl,
Rock my world.
you're so sweet.
Today. Get it, kill.
Bro, I made a remix. I call it Becky. Get it, Becky. Get it, Becky. Get it, Becky. Hey, get it, Becky. Girl, you know your ass super flat. I lie.
That man an asshole. Kids, don't smoke.
Kids.
You said you don't smoke? See, he don't smoke. That means you need to stop smoking. So you can get a job here, somewhere like this one day too. See, your problem is
A job like this? Nigga, I make $23 an hour.
What you trying to say?
Stop
you trying to say you make more money than my boy?
No, I ain't saying it like that. I'm just saying, bro, don't play with me like my job ain't shit or something, nigga.
I ain't even trying to disrespect you.
Yeah, bro.
All I'm saying is, if you had self accountability, my brother, and stop inhaling the green so much, you can go up in life a little bit, my boy.
Listen, bro, I work for $1 billion company, bro. Stop playing with me, cuz.
Walmart is worth $1 billion too. What the fuck does that mean?
Okay, go work for Walmart, but nigga, they not making the money I'm making.
That man an asshole.
How you doing, boss man?
Good. Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all, we got a 1978 Cadillac DeVille that we seen at the gas station, y'all. Beautiful.
This shit clean too.
Clean than a motherfucker, y'all.
68,000 miles.
68,000 miles, y'all. Ooh, y'all see it? Y'all see it? It's a 1978. That motherfucker bad mama jamma.
How long you had it?
Oh yeah, let me.
A year.
For a year, you like it?
I do. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What you spend like 5,000?
Exactly. Right.
Woo! Right on the dot. Hey.
It was for sale.
Yes, sir.
It came with the rims.
Nah.
Oh, you put them on now.
Yeah, y'all see them fresh, clean ass wheels on there too.
To make it slap by till the day I die.
Yes, Lord.
All right, appreciate
Boss
you.
man, appreciate you.
Yeah, piece of respect.
Hey, niggas talk about shit for bowls, but they ain't sip shit. Hey, niggas talk about flipping loads, but they ain't flip shit. Bitch, I been rich.
all over this motherfucker.
That's nothing but patch putty, cuz.
Shit, somebody had to do it.
That's why you see that red shit all around?
Yeah.
That red shit is gonna show you where all your patch putties is. I just gotta sand it out.
Bitch, I been rich. Bitch, I been rich. Bitch, I been rich. Bitch, I been rich. Hey, let's go. Niggas tryna die tonight, they know I'm on 10. Niggas tryna plead, I know they sorry, tryna put their posts in. Told my brother bring them choppers, chopper break his neck. Hey, go ahead and tie his sister up. Go tell her bring his fingers to the house, nigga. Hey, niggas talk about shit for bowls, but they ain't sip shit. Hey, niggas talk about flipping loads, but they ain't flip shit. Bitch, I been rich. Bitch.
Talk to him.
So basically, a big girl came through and put a hole inside of the door, bro. The bitch stepped down the street, man. The whole motherfucking car said, "Boosh," you know what I'm saying? So now it's a hole in the door. The second thing is, bro, man, this grinding shit, bro. It's a lot of patch putty all over the car. But, you know,
Hey,
I'm the master mechanic with this shit.
hey, YouTube world. Down the line, we gonna see what's up, and we might just end up getting a new door down the line.
Yeah.
But for the meantime, between time, we gonna do what we gotta do to get this motherfucker looking good and back on the road. I don't got all the money in the world, so I'm doing this shit on my means. It's my baby. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? It's Becky, you know what I'm saying?
So it's part of the story, the grind and the journey. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, bro. Look, bro. Y'all talk about y'all shouldn't be. Don't mess it up. Fuck is you talk about? We gotta do this shit for one, right? Cause look at this. All this is patch putty. This is patch putty. It's patch putty up there. From the last video. Like, come on, stop trolling. I don't know if y'all can see this, but nigga, I can stick my finger in there. Nigga, that's Russ Coochie. All that shit out.
Nah, show them the piece since they think we tripping.
Cause y'all remember I was asking y'all, that's how that mug was, y'all. So we had to, you know what I'm saying? This is not a sponsor. I repeat, this is not a sponsor.
Boys, don't try this at home. That's all I'm gonna say. In this video, you guys about to see some fire, some sparks. Some shit. Y'all about to see some shit. But let's get into it. Catch you boys in a minute.
What's up, YouTube? We back in it, bit, bro. We back in it, bit. All right, so this is what I found out, y'all. I found out that we not necessarily messing it up, but we using these motherfucking pads on the grid. It's taking it down to bare metal. We gonna take it to the body shop, man. Let them. This down here. I can put my finger in there. All this. Yeah, that shit coming off. Yeah, my papa said, since we doing it like this, we're gonna have to put some primer on it ASAP, or it's gonna start rusting. So that's what we learned today. She back rolling. She got that. Get it. All right, YouTube. I cleaned my garage up so I could put my old school in here, but ultimately, my brother said it's gonna fit, so we gonna see if it's gonna fit actually. And if not, you know, it don't take nothing to just put that bit back down there. But as y'all seen earlier, man, bro tricked us, bro. That mug having a lot of problems, bro. Like, man, as far as the body goes, it's a good car. It crank, you know what I'm saying? It's reliable, I guess. You know, I just gotta get the nicks and nannies and the shit like that. Good news is we not doing nothing bad to the car. We're not necessarily destroying the car, but yeah, man, we gonna have to push come to shove. I might just mess around, take it to the body shop. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I might get a new door. So I'm gonna edit this and shit. I'm about to let y'all see me coming in and out, or come out the garage. Try to see what he's doing. Yeah, man. I let my little brother whip that thing. Man, watch out, man. Ew, what the fuck?
All right, now.